Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open the CRYBABY Crimean Ocean vinyl plush and earphone bag. Let's take a look at this vinyl plush pendant first. There are 6 regular styles and 1 secret chase in this collection. Let's check out the first one. The Sea Bunny. Bold red lips. The Sea Bunny has CRYBABY's signature tears at the corners of its eyes. The fluffy pink sea bunny is super cute, soft and squishy, filled with tiny beads inside. The second one. The manta ray. Manta ray with diving goggles. Cute dull little eyes. All have teardrops by the eyes. Adorable little ears. Take off the goggles. Cute little expression. Fresh blue and white color scheme. Its tiny tail is separate. The third one. The pufferfish. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Chubby little pufferfish. Spikes all popped out. The puffer has a huge mouth. Yellow stripes at the bottom. The fourth one. The anglerfish. Showing a row of teeth. Round eyes. So cute and silly. Such pretty colors. Pink fins. Such a silly cute little guy. The fifth one. The sea turtle. Little turtle, why are your eyes on the side? Can you see clearly? This cute little shell is so adorable. Everyone gets healed by this little turtle. Moving along at turtle speed. The last one. The shark. I'm a fierce shark. I'm gonna eat you. The little shark has black and white stripes. Its eyes are red. Next up is our earphone bag. There are 4 regular styles and 1 secret chase in this collection. Here comes the manta ray again. The bigger one is even cuter. Its face is made of silicone. It feels super comfy to touch. Big and small meet up. It's double the cuteness. The zipper slides so smoothly. It fits a pair of earphones perfectly. Here comes the pufferfish. This headphone pouch is bigger and rounder. It feels absolutely amazing to squeeze. Its mouth is embroidered. Such a lovely little expression. The lanyard is also fluffy. These squishy thorns are totally harmless. Big and small pufferfish. So adorable it melts my heart. Little sea turtle. Big head with a tiny body. It's such a cute contrast look. What's this big little head thinking about? Perfect size to hold in hand. Little octopus. It's a dark-skinned CRYBABY. Doesn't it look like a takoyaki master? The suckers on its feet are all crafted perfectly. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.